So now what we're going to do is actually publish this. So I'm going to save it first, and it's going to publish with the name I have saved here. And I'm going to quickly go to publish, and I'm going to publish it right to my workspace. So let me just type that in. It's just your Microsoft account name. Here it is. I'm going to enter my password. It's probably going to ask me to authenticate one more time. And it should go through. I'm going to click cancel here. Okay, so now it's going to publish. It's going to ask me what workspace do I want to publish this to, and I'm going to pick GP Power BI presentation. It's in my workspace. I'm in my Power BI service. And I'm publishing this report now to the web. This is where we take over in Power BI service. So if I click the link, or if I just go to Power BI, let me just do that instead. If you go to app.powerbi.com, app.powerbi.com, it's going to ask you to log in with your username. You log in, and here's what Power BI service looks like. So if I go to Workspaces here, that's my workspace. If I click Workspaces and find the GP Power BI report, here it is. So we just published this report to my workspace. So now if I click it, I have access to it in the web. So I can literally access this from my phone. I can access it from another computer by just logging into app.powerbi.com. Also notice that it publishes the data set and the report separately. So what that does is it allows you to schedule refreshes on this data. So here, the schedule refresh button function here allows you to set up refreshes on this data set. So you can have this report being refreshed automatically for you. And like I said, up to 8 times a day with a Power BI Pro license.